This is either the worst decision I've ever made or the best. I don't know yet. Man, I've kind of got a car delivery surprise for you guys. I no longer have the Porsche, the 2016 Porsche 91 GT4. I replaced it with something a little bit more unreliable. Got to take a walk down the driveway to meet the delivery driver and get this car unpacked. They're way down there. They just did not want to turn around. So they are backing up all the way down my street. Crazy.
Hold up, before we jump into the delivery of this channel's next project car, I want to tell you why I sold my Porsche 91 GT4. The GT4 is a powerful, precise track weapon. It's got a raw feel, 6-speed manual transmission, incredible in its own right. But plain and simple, the GT4 wasn't a supercar, it was just a track car. Ever since I was in 4th grade, walking to Cambridge Elementary School in Orange, California with my best friends Gilbert and Jeff, I've held on to this memory of seeing my first supercar. It was a white Lamborghini Countach. The memory is so vivid, I can still feel the rumble of that V12 as we're passing by as we're walking to school. From that moment, I dreamt of someday owning a supercar, and finally at 47 years old, in the middle of my midlife crisis, I can live that dream. I'm excited to bring all of you along for this incredible journey. I will probably never be the guy that walks into the supercar exotic car dealership and orders and specs his car. For now, I will settle for this used supercar with a very sordid past that we're gonna get into in the next couple of episodes. So instead of buying my Spec, I'm going to build it. Let me be clear, this is not a rebuild. There are plenty of our favorite channels on YouTube doing the supercar rebuild. This is more about my journey, a middle-aged guy renovating and building his used supercar into his Spec. So we're gonna give this not so gently used supercar a new lease on life. And I promise to show you the good, the bad, the ugly. I'm gonna be completely transparent. You know, how much did I spend? What did I fix? What did I upgrade? And what breaks along the way? Okay, time to stop yapping and show you guys the cheapest, clean title, running and driving Mclaren 650S in the entire USA. Stay tuned until the end of the video where I will share with you what I paid for the car and where we stand on day one of this new project. Wish me luck.
This is either the worst decision I've ever made or the best. I don't know yet. Surprise, it's a Mini. Hello. How you doing? Cold start on a Mini. Don't go forward into my car. I gotta jump that. Gotta jump start the Mini to get my McLaren out. I hope we don't have to jump start the McLaren.
If we don't have to roll this thing out of here.
Back it, well, that won't be that hard. Put that should be manual and neutral.
True.
It won't be that bad.
It's a light car too.
Yeah, it won't be that bad.
Okay, there we go. Momentum. Get the Eric, we're gonna need you.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
So we didn't get to film it, but in order to get the McLaren out, Eric, I, and them had to push the Mini out of the way because the Mini would not start, and that's why I'm out of breath. But this is about to take my breath away when they start this up. I've waited since I was in 4th grade when I first saw my first supercar. Okay, lights come on, that's good. Cold start. All right, have a good one. You guys got that? All right. Emergency brake is on. Okay, emergency brake's off. Door open, neutral not selected. What door is open?
Trunk or something?
These are McLaren things. That's just a warning.
Is it?
Yeah, it says warning, doors open. Neutral not selected. Well, yeah, I know neutral's not selected. So, I knew going into this, it's a McLaren. I got to reboot it. So, we're going to figure all of this out. We're going to find out everything that is wrong with this and find out if I really did make the world's worst decision. So far, I'm excited, scared, happy, everything at the same time. All right, we're going to go in reverse because I don't know what these dudes are doing. And the reverse camera is the worst reverse camera. So, right there. Look at that. That's from 1955 right there. Oh, it still says I'm in park. There we go. Parking brake engaged. Please release with switch. Okay. We're moving. Uh-oh. Woo, buddy. Yeah, I have not... It's dusty and dirty. It needs a good wash. That is my driveway, and I have the lift up. Now I have to try to get it up for the first time. So I'm going to ask Eric to go out there and watch the front and tell me yay or nay. Well, here it is, my 2015 Mclaren 650S Spider in McLaren Orange. I bought this McLaren from a car dealership in Benton, Missouri called Recar. You can follow them on Instagram at RecarGram or go to www.recar.com. Now, Recar normally specializes in rebuilt title, branded title, wholesale vehicles. This is actually a clean titled, running and driving McLaren 650S, and it is the cheapest in the country. I actually spent $100,000 on this McLaren. It was originally $104,900. Through a little bit of VinWiki shrewd negotiation, I got them to take $100,000 even. Now, as of day one, we have $100,000 into the car, we have $1,400 in transport, and we have a $100 fee for getting it ready to go. So today our grand total is $101,500 for my McLaren 650S Spider, which is the cheapest clean title McLaren 650S Spider in the United States. So is it going to stay that way? Absolutely not. There's going to be hundreds and probably thousands of dollars that I sink into this, hopefully not a money pit. I hope all of you are as excited as I am about finding out what is really wrong, what's going to be wrong, what we're going to need to fix, what we're going to renovate with this McLaren 650S Spider. In the next episode, we're going to meet up with Edward. We're going to do a full walk around and tell you everything that we know what is wrong with this car. And we're going to dig a little bit deeper into it. So stay tuned, subscribe to the channel for the entire video series. Give this video a big thumbs up. And until next time, we'll see you later.